Hi friends, we are thinking we see a real life rocket launch. See, it's over there. Delta rocket launch? That's crazy.
Launch.
Yeah, I said launch. Look at this, friends. It's like so crazy. It's kind of hard to see it, but yeah, we're seeing like a real life rocket launch. This is so neat, huh? I mean, kind of. It's not really doing much. It's really just like staying there, but look how bright that is. It's really strange. Friends, is it easier to see up here? Because you can see a tiny bit of it right there. So it's like supposed to come at 5:44, but it's 5:41 right now. So it got a little bit early, and this just happened a few minutes ago or something. I don't know if it's just a big shooting star, but it's supposed to be at 5:44 and it's 5:41. So maybe it's just a big star, shooting star maybe. I don't know. But it's very strange. Well, looks like it's going faster. I don't know. The only way that we'll know is that if it goes fast. So we're on the countdown. It starts in like 3 minutes and something. 3 minutes and 35 seconds till it's supposed to start. So I don't know if it's gonna get super bright or gonna change or something or what. Well, let's wait and see. So it's at 3 minutes, so let's wait for the countdown. Yeah, that's definitely moving for sure. So we're at like probably 2 minutes left. This is crazy. Friends, do you see it? It's like right there. It's kind of hard to see it. I wish I were like behind that tree, then you can really see it for sure. I'm sitting on this big rock and waiting. So neat and kind of boring. Okay, it's not as bright as it was before. It's weird. I just got my boots on and we're back. Now it says 5:49, so I don't know what to believe in this shooting star looking thing. Oh no, it's like disappearing. Yes, rocket launch. Is it a rocket launch or is it a shooting star?